In this video, I am going to talk about the top crypto trading strategies that you can implement right now. So there's a ton of different ways to go about investing in general, and the same could be said for investing in cryptocurrency. I've been investing in crypto for about 3 years now, and I've learned a lot, and I want to share some of my knowledge with all of you out there. So, crypto trading strategies for beginners, Crypto Trading 101, it's time to start right now. So let's dive in and talk about the first way we can go about this. And it is what they call hodling in crypto. And this is basically long-term investing and holding. Now, let me say this about holding on to cryptos. It's very different holding on to Bitcoin versus something that just came out last week. A lot of people will say hodl something until it goes to the moon. But if it's just a meme crypto or it's something that just came out last week, it's probably not a good idea to do that. In fact, it's not financial advice, but I wouldn't do that because usually these things go up and then they come crashing down, and it's all about timing. So when it's with a small cap, you want to have a profit-taking plan. But for Bitcoin and Ethereum, on my end at least, this is not financial advice, but on my end, I like to hold these cryptos for the long term. I buy a little bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day. So it really depends on which asset you're investing in and what your goal is with that asset. But this is one strategy. You can hold for the long term, but you still want to have a plan even when you're holding for a long period of time. You can also day trade. So this strategy is suitable for those who have time and they understand the markets and they look at price movements daily and they're using some type of tool or understand technical analysis, which we're going to talk about here in a little bit. Day trading, then you have swing trading, right? Swing trading is just trading a little bit less than every day. So maybe you're trading every week or every month. You're looking for price cycles. You're looking for buy periods. We have scalping. These thrive on the tiniest price movements. This is like minute by minute, multiple trades throughout the day, leveraging large sums. You've got to be a really, really advanced trader. You don't really want to get into scalping very quickly. I think sticking to swing trading early on is probably the best way to go about it, where your trends you're looking at are over days and weeks rather than hours and minutes. Arbitrage involves buying a crypto on one exchange where the price is low and then immediately selling it on another exchange where the price is higher. It takes a lot of time and effort to find out where the arbitrage could be had, but it is a strategy that demands rapid execution, and it has to be done quickly, and you have to be really, really well advanced in the markets. So then you have fundamental analysis. This is kind of looking at factors like technology, real-world applications, and just what the sentiment is around this crypto project, what the community is like. Traders who use this strategy often hold on to their assets for longer periods of time, similar to holding or hodling, but with more research backing their decisions, and they also still have a plan on when they want to start to take profits. Then you have technical analysis. These are traders who rely on charts, patterns, and indicators to predict future price movements. But if you're a technical trader, you're looking at RSI, you're looking at Bollinger Bands, you're looking at support and resistance lines, moving averages, a ton of different type of prices, chart patterns like head and shoulders pattern, bullish patterns, all of these sort of things, right? So then you have portfolio diversification, which I think this should be part of everybody's strategy. This is a golden rule in any form of trading. Diversifying out your investments, meaning I have crypto, I have stocks. I have my stock portfolio that is very long-term. But inside my crypto portfolio, I have long-term investments like Bitcoin and Ethereum, mid-term investments, and then short-term investments where I'm trying to get in and get out in a week or sometimes even a day, right? So having that good diversified portfolio and having a plan when you take some profits in terms of what you're going to do with those profits is a really, really key component to becoming a great crypto trader. So hopefully these tips help, and let me know if they do down below. Drop your comments, your thoughts down there. What trader do you think you want to become, and what are your goals in crypto? Let me know down below. Appreciate you guys,